Welcome. In front of me is an iQOO Neo 7, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your hotspot. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top right side of the screen, like so, and this will reveal a bunch of toggles. One of them should be our hotspot toggle. So for me, it is right here in the corner at the bottom. Once you see it first time around, I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize, most importantly, things like the hotspot password, which you can see right here as a randomly generated password. When I click on it, completely get rid of this one, as I generally dislike randomly generated passwords. And then we can set up our own password that will have at least 8 characters in length. Click on done to save the changes, and there we go. We're done with the customization, I guess. That you can go in here and customize more, but I just want to talk about the password. Anyway, going back to the toggle, from here you can tap on it to enable it whenever you want to use your hotspot. When enabled, you can connect with other devices to your phone's mobile network wirelessly and use this device's network. Once you're done, I can tap on this toggle once more to turn it off. The hotspot consumes more of your phone's battery, so when you're not using it, there's no reason for it to be running in the background, as it's just gonna waste your battery. So yeah, anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.